high income skills to learn in 2025 that will pay you every day. People, welcome back to my channel, and this is Kemi of Step Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and share. And with that being said, guys, let's straight into the video. Last week I made a video about high income skills that you can learn, and some people came for me that I didn't mention this, I didn't mention that. And then I was able to explain to them, because I've explained in the video that not all skills can actually pay you. So not all skills are actually high income skills. And since some people do not understand what I meant by that, that's why I'm making this video. So there are high income skills. The reason why we call them high income skills is the fact that you do your work and you get a lot of pay. Yes, you do the work and you get a lot of pay. That is the reason why we refer to them as high income skills, that they pay you more. When a job with low income skills is paying you maybe $50 or 50,000 naira, a job with high income skill will actually pay you $250 or 250K. That is what we mean by low income skills and high income skills. Now, we refer to low income skills as low income skills because they are low barrier entry skills. While we refer to high income skills as high income skills because they require you to work and do a lot before you're actually able to make that money. But once you're done with the training and everything, you start making money every day. So with that being said, the first high income skills we'll be looking at is sales. Believe you me, if you are into sales, whether sales strategists, sales marketing, anything sales, as a sales, either a sales rep or a sales individual, what you do is you help businesses and companies to actually sell their product or their brand. Now, not all business owners can actually sell their product or their brand. So they need either a sales rep or a sales strategy to come and put in the work and help them make sales. So, and that is where you charge, because you know that definitely businesses cannot do without you. What you need to do is to upgrade your skills. So now, working as a sales rep or a sales strategy, it means you are helping people to make money. So you can charge them when you help them to make money. And that is why we look at this as an high income skill, because it will pay you more. In fact, under it as an high income skill, you get to even receive bonuses for a good job done. Now, number 2 is copywriting. Copywriting is still a little bit part of sales because you help people to actually make sales. But this time around, you help them write a short note that will trigger people to actually pay them. You understand? Like a short write-up. Because not all business owners can write something that will actually trigger people to actually say, oh, I want to buy this item. Oh, I feel this item is for me. I feel they're actually talking about me. I feel this is exactly what I need. But as a copywriter, once you write any little thing, in fact, you have to learn this. It takes maybe 6 months to a year to actually learn and be good at copywriting. So we have a lot of copywriters online. Some charge as high as $1,000 to work with foreign companies. Now, if you're in Nigeria, you can actually reach out to businesses that you see that they are not really doing well, especially on Instagram. Yes, and tell them that you're a copywriter and you like for them to try your skills out. So definitely, if you write something for them and they are making sales, definitely they want to pay you to hire you and keep you with them, so that the more you work for them, the more they get more money. As a copywriter, to hire international clients is to compose sales triggering messages, sales triggering emails that will actually make a customer to actually see this particular message and say, oh, let me click on this website. This particular item is for me. I have to buy this item. So the more they make sales, the more the company or the client reaches out to you to actually draft out more write-ups for them. Number 3 is video creation or content creation. Now, a lot of you see content creation as something that you cannot do because you feel it is too hard. But let me tell you, while your celebrities are making money, it is not because you like them. I don't know if you understand. It is because they are creating content that you see. So Google actually puts ads on their content for you to see, and they get paid. Even if you don't like to show your face on the screen, as long as you are able to learn video creation or content creation, be rest assured that you'll be making a lot of money online, because there is money to be made on this online street. I do say it as a content creator, be it YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you're definitely making money online, especially if you are the type that gets brands, deals, and all of those deals. Number 4, designs. If you're good with artworks, you can definitely make money whether you like it or not. There are a lot of websites that you can put up your artworks and people will buy from you. Now, the reason why we see it as an high income skill is because some people can actually pay up to like $5,000 for just one single artwork. So definitely it is an high income skill. So even if you are not making up to that amount, you can go to websites like Shutterstock, Pixels, and upload free copyright images. Now, when people download those images, you get paid. So it is as simple as that. The next one is data analysis. Now, if you are a data analyst, you are definitely in for the money, especially if you combine data analysis with content creation. Definitely you will make a lot of money. All you have to do is to help companies see what and what works for them. Maybe help them create a chart of how people, or create a survey for them, or understand why people that have been buying their items before are no longer buying. So that is just what you do as a data analysis, and then you get paid. Number 6 is project management, project or product management. Now, a lot of you do not know that project or product management is an high income skill, because people get paid thousands of dollars to manage a project. Let me bring it down. Let's assume now there is a project for the Tony Elimelu's Foundation or for UBA. Elimelu doesn't have to oversee all the projects in all the branches of UBA. All he has to do is to hire a project management to manage the team and give them results. That is when you get paid as a project management. Now, for a product management, you oversee the creation of a product or deliverable from the beginning to the end. So as a product manager, all you have to do is to ensure that this particular deliverable or product is actually good from the start to the end. There is no delay or anything. Number 7 is digital marketing. Now, digital marketing, a lot of people will say it's been around for a very long time. It has, definitely. But then again, it is an high income demand, because not everybody is doing digital marketing the right way. Yes, a lot of people will just get into digital marketing without having the skills of what a digital marketer should do or should not do. But when you have the right skill of what a digital marketer should do, you will definitely be a billionaire or a millionaire with digital marketing, especially when you yourself sell people's product, or when you yourself sell your product online and people are buying it from you like ASAP. Now, the next one is social media management. If you have not subscribed to our channel to this level, what are you waiting for? I believe you're getting value. Please do want to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share. And also let me know which of these skills you think you'll be working on, or which of these skills you'll be using as your goal for the year 2025. Now, social media management is you managing people's social media handles for them. You are in charge of the content creation, you are in charge of the editing, you are in charge of most of what they do on the app, that is on any of their websites or on any of their social media accounts. That is you managing their social media account. Now, for instance, celebrities do not have the time, most times do not manage their accounts themselves, because they are usually busy. So what they do is to hire social media managers to do that. A lot of clients outside the country or in New York, in London, do not have the time to manage their social media business accounts or whatever. So all they do is to employ a social media manager to actually do the managing for them, and you get paid. Number 9 is web designing. Now, if you know how to design a website, if you're good with website creation, website management, website designing, you are definitely an OG, because you will be making a lot of money. There are not a lot of people on this particular niche, because it is a tough spot. You believe me, it is a tough spot. As a website developer, you have a lot of upper hands when it comes to charging people the amount that you want for your job. As long as you are able to deliver, it is as simple as that. Charge as high as $1,000, as $5,000 just to develop a website or to build a website, depending on how good you are. The last but not the least is learning programming language. Now, this one is for the people with high IQ. It's not for we. So it's for the people with, if you know that you are good upstairs and you can learn how to program and it is not a problem for you, please go ahead and learn it because it is a high income skill. Yes, it is a high income skill. In fact, most programmers do not even leave their houses or do not leave their offices before they get paid. Yes. So guys, let me know which of these skills you actually be learning in this year 2025, because you have to learn something. I do say that you have to have something that you want to exchange for cash. Especially you have to have a value that you want to exchange for cash if you are trying to make money online. Now, all these survey sites and these will not pay all the significant bills. They might pay the little bills, but what happens to the significant bills? That is why we are starting this year with learning and talking about a lot of skills and a lot of websites that can actually enable you to make money this year. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.